Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how to create your own Scratch game. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Hello. Firstly, as every other game needs a subject, a good foundation to build around. What I'm thinking is to make a simple clicky game. Firstly, let's make a starting screen. I'm just gonna delete this and then let's see what colors we can make. I want I want to paint this color in the middle. So I'm going to go to X6. There we go. And then just do 100 to make it very pink. And that's about 85 to make it less pink. Let's go. And now swap with this one. I'm gonna put this one to 98 to make it like red. Uh, you see what I'm doing here? And I managed to gain this one too. There we go. And then here we'll play by 100. You see, everything blending perfectly. Back is good. Um, I'm just gonna move it close over there. Higher, 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 and now let's go down below, all the way down. And yeah, now I'm just gonna make text. I always like doing black, pitch black on my text. And I'm going to make my do. I'm going to write click game 13.45.989898921.